Hello everyone, Namaste, this is Shami Herons and welcome back to Your Wealth India. Today we are going to continue our playlist on investment in stock market. So the first couple of videos that we'll be doing on this playlist would be on very fundamental and basic topics. So there will be two kind of viewers. The first viewers would be someone who would be already aware of all these topics and aspects. So I think these couple of videos will be a very nice recap for them. Probably they might be in a very moderate or probably even in the advanced stage where they would be using a lot of data and a lot of ideas to build up a lot of strategies. So I think this would be a nice place to have a small revisit which could perhaps give them a new perspective and new ideas to make some of those small tiny changes in their strategies. And the second kind of viewers who are either new to the stock market or probably they are trying to learn something so that they can start investing in stock market. I think this is a very nice place to start, and it's very important that you are aware of these fundamental and basic topics. So I hope you all pay nice attention as we go forward. So let's get into today's topic, which is what is a stock market. Well, if I'm sitting in an examination and if I had happened to come across this question, then if I had no idea what it meant, probably I would have answered on the lines like, it's a market where the stocks are traded. Well, I wouldn't be very wrong in saying that, even though it's just a rearrangement of words. But if we explain these three words, stock, market and trading, I think we'll be able to understand what a stock market means. So let's come to the first word, which is market. So what does a market mean? Well, market is basically a place where buyers and sellers meet to do a transaction, right? So I think all of you might have been to a fruit market or a vegetable market or probably even a supermarket. So stock market is also a very similar marketplace where buyers and sellers meet for a transaction, and thanks to advancement in technology, now everything is online. So you don't have to go to a physical place in order to trade stocks, but you can do it online, just like Amazon, which is an online marketplace where buyers and sellers meet to buy and sell things. So stock market is a similar online marketplace. Now let's come back to the second word, which is what is a stock. Well, stock is essentially a slice or a portion of ownership of a company. So in a stock market, the companies are selling their ownership to people online. Now these might raise a lot of questions. The first question would be, why would a company do that, especially the successful and big companies? Well, there are many answers to that. However, the primary reason is that they want to raise funds for the growth of their business. At least this is what the companies claim when they list their company in the stock market. And there might be many other questions regarding this, perhaps like, how do they do it technically, or similar lines. There may be many other questions. So what we can do is, you can put those questions in the comment box of this video, and based on the question I can either reply back directly to them, or probably we can have a dedicated video on the same. Now let's come to the last word, which is trading. Well, trading is nothing but buying, selling or exchanging goods and services. However, trading in stock market is slightly different than the other markets that I have given examples of. For example, let's take a vegetable market. Let us assume you go to a vegetable market to buy some potatoes. Now when you go there, there will be a vendor who would be selling those potatoes at a particular price. So you buy them and then you come back home and probably add them in some curry and then you consume it. So that's the end of the cycle there. However, in stock market, things are slightly different. When you buy stocks in a stock market, they will be available at a stipulated price, and when you buy them, you can sell them later as well. So, and why would you do that? First of all, well, of course, to make money, because you would be selling them at a higher price. In fact, we will have a dedicated video where we'll talk about how do you make money in stock market. Probably I'll explain that in more detail there. So I hope with this you have a basic understanding of what a stock market is. So stock market is essentially an online platform where you can purchase stocks at a stipulated price and later you can sell them at a higher price, thus making profit from it. And we'd like to thank all the viewers for supporting us so far and for watching all our previous videos. And in case you like this video as well, please hit the like button and also do subscribe if you haven't subscribed so far. And if you have any feedback or if you want any clarity on the topics we have discussed, or probably you want some topics for us to be included in the future videos, please put them in the comment box. We would be very happy to go through them. And so until next time, see you, bye bye and namaste.